Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link Exodus Mobile to desktop. This easy method ensures your cryptocurrency portfolio is always up to date across all your devices. We'll cover the simple steps to connect your mobile wallet to your desktop application using your recovery phrase. It's a quick process that gives you seamless access and management of your digital assets, providing convenience and peace of mind for your crypto journey. First, make sure you have the Exodus desktop application installed on your computer. If you don't, download it from the official Exodus website. Once installed, open the application. Instead of creating a new wallet, you'll choose the option to Restore from Backup. This prepares the desktop app to receive your existing mobile wallet's data, ensuring a smooth transition and synchronization of your assets. Now, retrieve your 12-word recovery phrase from your Exodus mobile wallet. This phrase is your master key. On your desktop application, you will be prompted to enter this phrase. Type each word precisely, paying close attention to spelling and order. Accuracy is paramount here. Even a single incorrect word will prevent the restoration. Once entered, the desktop wallet will begin syncing with your mobile data. After entering your recovery phrase, your Exodus desktop wallet will begin the synchronization process. This may take a few moments as it fetches all your assets and transaction history. Once complete, you'll see your full portfolio mirrored on your desktop. Take a moment to verify that everything matches your mobile wallet. Congratulations, your Exodus wallets are now linked, offering you flexible management of your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.